Hello, my name is Nazeer A from the Faculty of Civil Engineering Technology, and I will be demonstrating for you the procedure of long division of algebraic expression. When we look at the example that I have up here, we have a divisor and a dividend. The divisor is in the denominator, the dividend is in the numerator. It is not in the standard form, right? I'm going to place it in standard form so we could actually perform the division. We have the divisor on the outside of the quotient bracket, and we have the dividend on the inside. The procedure that we're going to follow is to eliminate the first term of this binomial here. Okay, that binomial. That first term is 8x cubed. Now we have to find an answer up here. When multiplied by the divisor will give us 8x cubed. Now, to find that particular term that you want for your answer, you have to take the first term of the divisor and divide it into the first term of the dividend. When I do that, 2 into 8 will give me 4. X into x cubed will give me x squared. So I know that my answer, the first term of my answer, is going to be 4x squared. Let's go and place that in. 4x squared multiplied by 2x will give me 8x cubed. Now you notice that I have a minus sign out here. I will explain that in a minute. I have to also multiply the entire divisor. So minus 3 times 4x squared will give you minus 12x squared. Okay, the sign of that is changed also. Now remember, I wanted to eliminate the first term. To do that, if I had a plus here and I algebraically add that, I would get 16x cubed. However, if the sign was changed, I would get 0 and I would have eliminated the first term. So I've multiplied the entire expression here by minus 1, and that changed the signs right there. This was plus, it became minus. This was minus, it became plus. Now if I algebraically add this, I get 0. Algebraically add these two, I have plus 12x squared minus 4x squared will give me 8x squared. Okay, I have to bring down the next term, which is the third term. I have to bring it down, and now I have a binomial again. I'm going to repeat this whole procedure that I just did. I'm going to repeat the procedure again. I'm going to divide 2x into 8x squared. I will get a plus 4x right there. And I'm going to place that. Plus 4x. I'm going to multiply that term of the answer by the divisor. I'm going to multiply them. 4 times 2, 4x plus times 2x will give you 8x. It'll be a plus 8x. But I've changed the sign again. And minus 3 times 4 will give you minus 12x. It'll become plus 12x. And algebraically adding these, I have eliminated that term again. Algebraically adding these two terms, plus 2 plus 12 will give you plus 14. And that, because they're like terms, the x goes down too. I'm going to bring down the 21 now to that position. I'm going to repeat the procedure again. I'm going to divide 2x into 14x, and that will give me plus 7 right there. I'm going to place that, plus 7. And 7 times 2 is 14x, and that comes into play right here. I'm changing the signs. And 7 times minus 3 will give you minus 21. It becomes plus 21, and it's placed there. Algebraically adding, I've gotten rid of the 14x, so it becomes 0, and plus 21 will give you plus 42. And this is the remainder that you have right here. You have the answer up here and the remainder right there. We have to state our answer and remainder together, and the way to do that, we have our answer right here, and the remainder is plus 42, so that becomes a plus, divided by the divisor, which is 2x minus 3. And that's the way that you state your answer. I hope that this demonstration helps you with your long division, and I hope that you use this video as a review. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Snap attack, front to back, in this thing called rap. Dig it like a shovel, rhymes double on a heavily level. Bang the bass, turn up the treble. Radical mind, day and night, all the time. 714 lines, divine, maniac.